Like preparing for a change in the weather, you can shield yourself from eligible repair costs on your Toyota. A vehicle service agreement through your participating dealer and Toyota Financial Services provides extra protection and peace of mind in the event your Toyota needs a covered repair beyond the original factory warranty. Backed by Toyota and available for new and pre-owned vehicles, you can choose from flexible coverage terms. Better than saving for a rainy day, you're already covered for one. Vehicle service agreements for your peace of mind through your participating dealer and Toyota Financial Services.